Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. In today's video I want to show you how to take the cassette off your freewheel. That you can do when you want to change the freewheel or you're just curious. So I need to turn left. So I put this tool like this, I hold it here to my body, and I have to admit I cheated. So I untied it already before a bit. I can take it off. And as you can see, there's not much up because it's a new one. I would if you change one, you have, for example, new. You need to put a new one. I just put back my one because it's pretty new still, or pretty new. I did not cycle still yet with this bike, so I put a little bit of Vaseline just to have some rust protection. Then I have to search a bit. Here you have the big space, and here I have the big space. Let me see if I'm right. Yeah. I put back this one. Then I put this tool inverse on it because I need to tighten it other way around, and it needs to be tight 40 Newton per meter. So that means about 4 kilo on 1 meter of lever. So I have here about 30 centimeters. So I need to multiply the 4 kilo multiplied with 3.5 approximately. So that's a 9 kilo plus a half. So it's about 12 kilo, which I need to pull like this. If I have a lever of about 30 centimeters, so it's a pretty. You have to tighten it pretty tough. So this was the video how to change the cassette on your Velomobil. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.